YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. See what goodies they have to offer besides this item. If you like this item, add it to your cart now and check out. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. And let's see what they sent today. Alright. Oh boy, here we go. I think I'm a little late to the party, but it's all good. Galaxy S22 Plus. Here she is. Yeah, I have the S10 Plus, and that's been acting really weird lately. It's like almost like it's hacked, but it's just in and out, clicking on stuff, and weird, odd behavior for a phone to be doing that, especially if I have McAfee hooked up to it, and it's just been acting really strange. There we go. I heard that rattling too. Makes some kind of weird buzzing. And I never dropped this phone, so it's in perfect condition, but I don't know. Ooh. This is nice, lightweight. Nice camera. It's kind of weird that there's no anything there like usual, like a barcode or something. Pull tab. Oh, that's a... okay. This is more classy. Fingerprint City. Oh, man. Here's the phone. What, no headphones? USB? Man, they got cheap. There's no goodies with this. And all this, like the basic. Oh, it has a screen protector. I'll leave it on for now. Yeah, it's kind of weird that there's that card, that thing. That there's no headphones or anything like that. That's odd. I don't think I need this right now. So I'm going to have to call in or do an online switch and activate this thing up. At least I could turn it on. Oh, man, I'm going to have to get used to this phone. Maybe it needs to be charged. There we go. Secured by Knox Android. We all know the routine. Take a second. Alright guys, here it is. Finally got it all set up. Looking good. Really impressed with it so far. Had it out about an hour or two. Really good features. Camera's amazing. Watching the stream on DirecTV. Picture quality is excellent for movies and whatnot. So it's getting warmer. What else I could show? Camera. Turn. Cancel. Photo. Really good. Video. And then boom. Really nice. So definitely if you're looking for a new upgraded phone, definitely check the what is this, S22 Plus Galaxy. Really nice camera. There's the back. And I already got a new case for it. Definitely check that out. Caseborn is another one. I'll leave that link down below too. Some good stuff they got out there. Really nice. It's just, it kind of feels like an iPhone in a way. It's kind of weird. Because I had the iPhone, I think 10 or 11. That's what it kind of reminds me of. How super thin. So, but I didn't want to get the Ultra. I just want to try something different and easier to type on and stuff like that for social media instead of reaching. I just got to clean this up a little bit. It's alright though. Alright guys, check them out. Link will be down below. Be safe. Have a good night.